Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Headers and footers. When you're about to print some Excel, we go into the File menu and select Print. We have looked at some of the options in a previous video. Here we are going to look at header and footer options. And currently we can see that there is no header or any footer at the bottom. So I'm going to return back and I'm going to Insert tab, and here you can see an option towards the right to insert headers and footers. Before I click on this, at the bottom here we can see we have several views. When we click on header and footer, it will put us into a different view. That is the page layout view. In order to insert headers and footers, you need to be in the page layout view. So here at the top of my page, I can see a section divided into 3, and here I can add header. If I scroll down, I can see a section with 3 parts at the bottom as well. That is where I add the footer. Let's add a header. Once you click into any of these sections, you see at the top a header and footers tab with the design tab. Here you can see all of the different elements you can add to the header and footer. Here I'm going to put some text. Let's say counter 2 and then a name Jim in the middle section. And in the right hand side, I will put in the date. If I type in the date will always stay the same. However, the programming term for date is put in when I click here. Whenever I print, it will print with the date that we are printing. Similarly, in the footer section, let's go into the middle. Let's go into the design tab, and here let's select page numbers. If I click page number, it will just put in the number of the page. So it will say 1, 2, 3 and so on and so forth. It will update automatically the page numbers. If I type in the word off and give a space and use the number of pages option, it will say if I have 10 pages, 1 of 10, 2 of 10, 3 of 10, etc. If I have only 1 page, then it will say 1 of 1. It is important to not type a number in a page number. They have to update automatically. You can also put in the sheet name, file name, path name. Let's put in the sheet name here. On the right hand side, let's put the file path. So now I'm ready to come out of header and footer. In order to do this, we had to come out of the page sections, only then you can come out of this view. You had to click into one of the cells and then go to the bottom and click on the normal tab. You don't see the headers and footers in the normal view. Go into the print. Now I can see them in the print preview. So now I have everything looking good, so I can go ahead and print them. Thank you for watching the video. Please share this knowledge with your friends, family and colleagues. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.